Today we're looking at page 2 of the practice test for chapter 9. So on page 2 there's a second number 1, and the first thing you want to do is you want to identify the figure as a triangle, and then you want to write down the formula. So that should be base times height divided by 2. Then you're going to substitute in the values. The base is 3.2, the height is 1.9. You punch it into your calculator, you should get 3.04, and that's in centimeters squared. Same thing for number 2. It's also a triangle. So I'm just going to draw an arrow over there. Same formula. We're just going to substitute in the base, which is 11, and the height, which is 9.5. Punch it in the calculator. I got 52.25 feet squared. Number 3, obviously a triangle. Formula is base times height over 2, but this time they give you the area, so you substitute in the 8.8 for the A. The base is 5.5, and the height is what you want to find, so we're going to plug in an X all over 2. So the first inverse operation is to multiply both sides by 2. Cancel over here. That leaves us with 17.6. equal to 5.5x, so divide both sides by 5.5. That means the height is 3.2 kilometers. Same thing for number 4, area equals base times height over 2. They gave us the area of 44.8. Base, we don't know, so we'll plug in an x. Height is 7.6. First inverse operation we want to do is to multiply both sides by 2. They cancel over here, and we get 2 times 44.8. Sorry, I didn't write it down. Is 89.6. So divide both sides by 7.6. And that base is 11.8 inches. Number 5 and 6 are super easy. Hopefully you recognize these both as squares, and the area formula for a square is side squared. So we plug in a 5 and we square it. We get 25, and this one is in yards squared. Same figure over here, same formula, so we're simply going to plug in the side of 8 and square it. So we should get 64 miles squared.